Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to remove table design in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So in this video we have created a table design, and not only a design, but now let's remove it. Select any cell in our table and an additional tab Table Design appears. Select this tab. There are many settings here, but we're interested in Convert to Range. Select it. We will be asked if we really want to convert table to range. We choose yes, we really want to, and our table has become a regular range. It remains only to remove the banded lines. We'll make it very simple. We use the Format Painter tool. With this tool you can not only transfer the format of one table to another, but you can also remove formatting. Select any empty cell, then Format Painter. The selected cell will be an example of the format to which we want to bring our table. And now we just select our table and voila, we now have the usual range. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.